Well, it is a big week after a very long year and a half for students and teachers at Greer Lingle Middle School in Rogers. In just days, they will cut the ribbon on a totally rebuilt school destroyed by a tornado back in 2024.
And the middle school opened their doors for some classes in August, even as work continued to finish the reconstruction. And tonight we're getting a sneak peek down the halls of Greer Lingle. KNWA's Phoebe Kramer is here with us in studio. And Phoebe, I understand the school was rebuilt with a very important room that it did not have before the twister.
Yeah, Doug and Allie, we got to look at that room as well. The principal told me the moment the ribbon is cut, it will serve as a powerful symbol of every challenge and obstacle they overcame to basically rebuild the entire school.
To see all the things that we were able to give the staff and the students and the parents, and so it's a great opportunity, I think, to simply pause, reflect, and appreciate all that we have done.
Ever since the May 2024 tornado, students and staff have been shuffled between mobile buildings and eventually into some of the new classrooms by the start of last fall. But now, after nearly 600 days, the school construction is finally 100% complete.
It was a somber moment. It was really tough to see the emotions of the teachers, knowing that they weren't going to get to say goodbye to the kids, and a lot of what they had worked so hard to achieve and facilitate in their classrooms was came to a crashing close, and it wasn't their doing, it was just Mother Nature.
Last August, when Greer Lingle reopened their doors, some of the new classrooms were finished and able to be used by the nearly 700 students here, but still yet to be completed. A brand new gym, art, and choir rooms.
Although it was not ideal, I think that what we did find out was that we were able to bring the students back. We were able to have classroom environments for them.
When that twister hit, it was the Memorial Day weekend and the students were home. But if one ever touched down while they are in school, they're now better prepared. The new construction also includes a large tornado safe room.
If another tornado were to happen, we have the ability to put all of our students into that safe room, and it's built to a little bit different standard that can withhold the high winds and the natural disasters that are potential here in this area.
Both school leaders admit it's been a very long and at times chaotic process, but they agree a big reason they finally made it to the grand reopening week is thanks to the support from the parents and their staff.
There's still some speed bumps that we have to encounter, and just a collaborative effort and focus on doing the best we can each and every day for kids. It's a great staff, and I'm just humbled to be the person that gets to call myself the principal.
And parents, if you want to be a part of the reopening and ribbon cutting, it will take place this Wednesday at 4 p.m. In studio, Phoebe Kramer, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.
All right.